Welcome to our channel. While most gift cards cannot receive direct deposits, some prepaid cards marketed as gift cards do support this feature. Here's how to set it up if your card qualifies. Step 1. Verify that your gift card can actually accept direct deposits. Check the packaging, website, or call customer service to confirm this feature is available. Step 2. Activate your prepaid gift card if you haven't already. Follow the activation instructions on the card or its packaging, typically by visiting a website or calling a phone number. Step 3. Register your card with the issuer. Visit the card provider's website and create an account by providing your personal information including name, address, and social security number. Step 4. Locate your card's routing number and account number. Once registered, this information should be available by logging into your account online or calling customer service. Step 5. Provide your employer or benefits provider with the routing and account numbers. Fill out their direct deposit authorization form with these details. Step 6. Specify the amount or percentage you want deposited to this card. Most employers allow you to split your paycheck among multiple accounts. Step 7. Submit the direct deposit form to your employer's payroll department. They will process the request and update your payment settings. Step 8. Wait for the first direct deposit to arrive, which typically takes 1 to 2 pay cycles. Verify the deposit by checking your card balance online or through the mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.